The International Criminal Court, or ICC, vows to continue its probe into the killings in President Rodrigo Duterte's bloody war on drugs, even if the Philippines' withdrawal already took effect Sunday. In a statement, ICC prosecutor Fato Bensoda says, quote, "My office's independent and impartial preliminary examination into the situation in the Philippines continues." The preliminary examination aims to establish if the ICC has jurisdiction over the Philippines' case before the ICC prosecutor proceeds to the actual investigation.